Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by stabilizing the ghost fruit. This first move determines control. Put on insulated gloves and clear the area of reflective surfaces because light distracts spectral activation. Once done, examine the veins and confirm rarity. Rarer fruits demand stricter containment. Place the fruit on a padded neutral surface and loosely bind it with rope to prevent rolling. Make sure to have a containment jar within arm's reach. You will need it in the next step to capture ephemeral emissions safely. You now move to activation. Tap the fruit 3 times and listen. Resonance indicates readiness. Once you hear the hum, align the containment jar at roughly 0.5 to 1 meter and coax the first wisp inside by easing the lid. You must be patient, do not force it. If you detect weak emissions, apply gentle heat in short bursts to raise internal frequency, but pause whenever the pulse becomes irregular. This tuning controls the fruit's output, so adjust slowly and observe its spectral behavior constantly. You finish by integrating the fruit's effect into practical use. Perform a single, small demonstration, and then rest the system for 24 hours to let energy stabilize. If emissions spike at any point, immediately isolate the jar and lower ambient temperature to about 12 to 15 degrees. Do not touch the exposed wisp with bare skin. Make sure to document every activation sign and timing, because those notes become your tuning guide. They explain why adjustments worked and inform safer future operations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.